Let's learn how to change your Apple ID password. If you've ever wanted to change your Apple ID password but didn't know how, you don't have to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it without needing a tutorial. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app on your phone. Once you have opened Settings, you'll find yourself on a page with many options. When you are on that page, you need to click on your Apple ID name at the top of the page. After clicking on it, a page with several options will open, most of which are useless except for one option that you need for this tutorial, which is Sign In and Security. Click on that option. Once you've clicked on it, a page with several options will open. On that page, you need to click on the Change Password option. After clicking on that option, you'll be asked to scan your Face ID or enter your password. When you do that, a page will open where you need to click on the Start Security Delay option. After clicking on that, you will need to wait for an hour to be able to change your password. During the security delay, you can still use your phone, and when the hour is up, you'll receive a notification that the delay has expired. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.